Hello, this is the Welding Documentary, and here we are at the college welding bay. These are to protect the bays are not getting out to any sparks. What comes out of the welder here. Now this is how it works. Comes out like that. But as soon as it goes onto metal, then it welds that line there. Won't touch it because it's just a bit of scrap to test if it works. Don't touch it because of that. He's all tooled up, he's got his suit on, he's got his gloves, and his mask just to prevent the light going in, so you won't see it. You can see the light, but it won't be as strong, but you can see it from there, so don't look through there, right? Don't look from there.
That's right up to it.
And this is the welding machine here. These gears alter the voltage of the machine, and this is what it looks like inside the machine. That is the metal that goes in there. And this is the gas there to alter the gas level you use, so we get the best quality welding to get all the fumes out there. And now we are going to show you the first weld. Now we're going to get rid of a bit of stuff here. What the hell? What the hell?
Oh,
what?
not depth of thing.
The light. You said you wouldn't, and you did. You did exactly what you weren't supposed to do.
I can't help it. It's so...
Wait, just stand up for this. Yeah. Are you ready?
Yeah. Okay.
I'm very comfortable standing up. Okay. I'm only guessing where the light is watching this door. Swear on the air, I'll have to block it off. Oh, you have to do it like that again, don't you? Okay, now this time I hope to do it, okay? This is dangerous for the camera, I think, so I'm only going to do this once, okay? Ready? Bye.
That's you!
What the hell? Okay. Oh dear, don't fall, and it's gone off the angle a bit. Oh well, carry it on, okay? That's nice and bright for you, isn't it, kiddies? Okay. Ouch! That got me at the back of the neck. Ow. Oh. Right, somewhere there. Where? Ow. Oh, you bought it first.
Yeah, I Don't worry, I've got myself off the arm.
Oh. try not to get my neck burnt, but I can't help it. Sparks fly. Oh, spark went in my helmet then. What is with this thing? You get burned.
No, it's a sparkle, it's a motor straight, you know where you see that?
Yeah.
Actually it won't actually straight into it.
Went straight into the thing, but...
No, that was simple.
Okay. Try to hold it more position if you can. Oh God, what is with this welder? God! Oh. Okay, I'm just going outside. That isn't a proper word. Eyes once more. Oh, God, elbow! God's sake, that shit. Yeah, you just get down there. Now Christopher's turn to do after we all got burned. Okay, the thing get burned. Let's just laugh at him. Okay?
It's my turn.
Let's do it. Yeah. Don't say it's fault save me, I've had enough of it. Well, that's for you then, isn't it?
Yeah.
You don't know me.
No.
What are you doing?
I looked up for light.
You're not supposed to do that.
I know, but
You can't help it.
Yeah, I
don't know.
hold on. Okay, alright for now.
Once again, he gets it perfect, don't you?
What are we doing?
Hello, Scott. How's your welding going? How's your welding going? Scott, how's your welding going? You muppet.
Looks like what's fine, by the way. How are you?
You just play the bass. Pour the camera a second.
Yes, mother.
Got the screen. I'll just tell this is Don't put your finger down as well. Hey, shut up. Don't make this.
I'm doing what he says. This is John. This is Kevin. That's Kevin. That's Chris. That's Nicholas.
Properly see, there's going to be certain stuff that can get in your eyes, like sparks.
And that's just the machine that turns this one on. What are they then?
Lockers.
Duh.
Follow me.
And what's that?
That's Christopher. I think.
Device.
Oh, listen. In here.
That's something you do the whole hammering gimmick with. That's something you do the whole bending gimmick with.
Oh, that's just nice.
Oops.
I haven't got the map today, so. Hi. There we are.
Are you going to hold this?
It's hard to dig it. Come on.
Two gay boys.
Oh, nice at welding there. You know we're using neighbours. That's me. Scott works on his own. There's someone
Scott works on his own so they can do better work, so they can do more. That's called a welder. It's called the tongue.
I'll take it.
Will you back her off?
Back it out. Back it out. Back it out. Back it out.
Back her off.
Go on. Oh, come on. Sir. You take the lead. Take the lead. Take the lead. Go on.
Let me go.
I don't know. That bends vessel. That's being cleaned up afterwards. That's another got thing. Dustpan and brushes. That's a special cutting machine. Over here some spare gas cylinders. And I'm currently looking for spare scrap. And currently there isn't any spare scrap, so I'll have to ask John about that. Anyway. Yes, we got to ask John wherever it is. There.
Still metal around the back of the guillotine?
No.
You want to put some? Yeah.
Yeah. This. That is another form of welding, though not as bright and dangerous. There we are. She's purified the option. Sorry. Fire exit.
I want to say something. I haven't looked at the light.
Well, not yet anyway.
Might do,
Store the scrap here. The storage part. That's where all the gases go, the unwanted gas.
and helmets and
Yep. The gloves are in this plastic box there. And here's the types of welds. The bottom ones are the correct welds, the top ones are all the welds that are just not right. End of story. Instructions there. How to do welding.
Oh no, they're always go big, don't they? Yeah.
Office with its own computer. And now we're going to get back to our welding now.
Oh, we need scrap.
Yes, we need scrap. We're in search for that. I hope you enjoyed the documentary show. Not properly accurate, although one more thing. That there where the oxygen, where the particles go, right up in the new dimension. So I hope you enjoyed the program. See from prophecy. now, this is another acceptable weld. Just before the break, before you have to go back to take RCT exam.
Take two.
Oh yeah, because the failures of all the flipping sparks. Stop laughing, Chris, I know you're laughing at the maths. Okay, hold on, again.
You got me! Twice!
I've got it twice, sorry. Oh, feel the heat. Your own central heating. Oh, sorry, sir. That isn't the best weld I can do, but for some reason that silly thing is messing up.
Not for me though.
Hey. Look through that thing, that is the vision you get. Can you see me?
No. No you can't.
You can see me there. Yes, that is the model one, okay? Alright, to the next stage. Right, now we're going to show what the welding light looks like from several angles. This is one of them, okay? You ready, Chris?
Yeah.
In your own time.
Yeah, alright.
See how bright that was then? And again. What do you do, Christopher? You burn yourself?
Yeah.
See folks, that's the danger of doing welding, you get burnt sometimes.
Well, there's a hole.
There's a hole. Hold on. I'm just going to show people, don't start, Christopher. That's what he's produced, but accidentally he's burned a hole, the silly person.
Yeah.
Alright.
Help it.
I know you can't help it, no, but yep. Okay. Whenever you're ready, Christopher?
Yeah.
Currently flying towards me. Should go as you want it first. Oh, you can see how late that is. Okay. You want to hear our yeah. Stop looking at right then. Now that's Scott welding, after I taught him. I did, I told him. I taught him, brother.
Hang on, I've got something you might want. The Mexican man!
Oh, why the hell did you tell that man, Scott?
Because he plays a guitar!
Because he plays a guitar.
He does that! Confession! Shut up, you.
Alright again. Fuck yeah. You done yet, Scott?
Yeah, like.
Fuck yeah. I do have about 2 pounds on here, Scott.
Chris,
Well done.
give it a goddamn clean rest.
He's all tooled up, he's got his suit on,
Yeah.
he's got his gloves, and his mask just without the light going in, so you won't see it. You can see the light, it won't be as strong, but you can see it from there, so don't look through there, right? Don't look from there.
That's right up to.
And this is a welding machine here. These gears alter the voltage of the machine, and this is what it looks like inside the machine. I'm very comfortable standing up. Okay. Hello, this is the Welding Documentary, and here we are at the college welding bay. These are to protect the bays are not getting out to any sparks. What comes out of the welder here. Now this is how it works. Comes out like that. But as soon as it goes onto metal, then it welds that line there. Won't touch it because it's just a bit of scrap to test if it works. Don't touch it because of that. Here's the metal that goes in there. And this is the gas there. To alter the gas level you use, so we get the best quality welding to get all the fumes out there. And now we are going to show you the first weld. Now we're going to get rid of a bit of stuff here. What the hell? What the hell?
Oh,
What?
look depth of
The light. You said you wouldn't, and you did. You did exactly what you weren't supposed to do.
I can't help it. It's so
Oh no, wait. Just stand up for this. Yeah. Are you ready?
Yeah. Okay.